Bonsoir, demain ça va se capet, moi tourner back avec une autre vidéo avec une autre nouveau vidéo pour nous qui connaît déjà si on sait ça va nous tourner pour une autre vidéo pour encore that's on period, okay? That's on period, guys. So guys, my room is such a mess, so don't even mind what I'm doing over here, okay? I'm all over the damn place. I have to clean my room, I have to do other activities. Yeah, so guys, yeah. So mboko ben, mte di ma bin fè cheve man fòm ben paske e cheve m ka pran plis tan pou m fè, which was actually not bad. But nou konen mbal fè makyaj men because mbal non ti brunch, okay? Yeah, like my nails, it's all white, okay? So mbal non ti brunch, guys. So mte kon sa, okay, let me just, you know, do my hair. And then plus, next Friday I have to go to a wedding, so cheve sa wal bak nan tet mwen anko. Probably a different style. I'm not gonna see my face like part in the middle or what I'm gonna do with it yet, or being part of the side. I'm not sure yet. But nte curly le matin. If I curly non, nte mette l'eau avec conditioner là dans le matin pour te having like curly like this. Okay, this hair is trash. Okay, so ma nte acheté ça pour presque $400. It's trash as hell. Okay, so I'm just trying to get my money's worth with this hair. But si on buy yo te vwe ba mwen, guys, nda plage la te bonne parce cheve ça va bon. It sheds so freaking much and I hate it. Go ahead, pass by. Okay, so yeah, guys, so nobody naughty brunch downtown Houston, legally lost and found. I'm gonna bring y'all with me. Nou konen pa telman bon nan vlog. Okay, so I am gonna try my best to record everything for you guys. Si mwen même mte kon zanmi ki te supposé aller avec moi, but I'm not sure if she's gonna go. But si moi même Marie frem na avec frem na, okay? So nou kat lang pou ale. Apre sa lot moun yo ap meet us there. Okay, it's not our event, so we have to be on time. So event lan avec 1h30, but we're trying to leave here at 12:30 pou nou ka get rive kote na prive pou nou ka pake, and so we don't be late. We're trying not to be late this time. Okay, so mboko kon ki sa mbal mette, guys. Mbal benye la. Mbal benye. Apre sa mwen pou ale ma vi fè makyaj mwen, of course. Paske m konen sak pal pran plis tan pou m fè. I wanna be waiting on my husband paske konen pi mal pase mwen la pou dress, okay? So mwen pou ale mbal benye. Let me sort benye, guys. Ma bin devan la ankon pou m moutre nou ki sa ma mette. I'm probably gonna wear a dress like a little, since we're gonna be outside, the fair show anyway. So I'm about to make up my too heavy. So yeah. So no brale yeah. So mbal ben, guys, mbal shave pied, mbal shave mbal point mwen. Normally wax mbal point mwen, but right now I don't have the time to wax my underarm. So I'm probably going to rasoir it, but I really don't want to. So mboko shit. See, my last one because of a problem because I already got my hair into like shave pa thick encore. Yeah. Mbal wax li. So mbal plug wax na pour ça. Map tourner encore pour nous faire maquillage non. Okay, guys. It's 11:38. So kunya la, nous va aller faire on va mettre les yeux. Guys, don't mind my goddamn background. I'm just a put my nose on that. Light, guys, very, very light. Y'all hear me? Light. Very light. Got on wig from middle of my hair by encore. That's tout wig moi net for my lave yo pour me revamp pour me mettre display. So yeah. concealer that I like. So on va l'utiliser ça. On just mettre là. Okay. I'm doing very light foundation. Comme dit non gaz li fait chaud. So m'a besoin de mettre un bout de tête avec un bon fond de teint. Comme ça.
I'm going to release you on bail. But I hear counsel's concern, and I think it's valid. Mrs. Randolph, you will be on house arrest, monitored with an ankle bracelet until trial.
Thank you, Judge.
Moi pour aller like on finit avec cheveux. Oh, I like this. Like moi fait li like wet and wavy. Hopefully li pa mette conditionner non pas juste mettre de l'eau seulement là dedans, mette conditionner là dedans pour le cas rester en place. So I don't know if I'm going to like fill un beau comme ça, like un beau comme ça ou bien maybe I could just do like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Like this. Okay, it's cute. Very cutesy, very classy, very demutey. How do you like it? Let me show y'all my clothes. Okay. This shit lose his head.
I was out there doing big boy work.
Okay.
Yeah, me too.
Let me even clean some, no? Okay guys, so kunyala.
Yeah, guys.
Okay, so nous fini, nous allons aller déplacer. Midi 54, nous disposons nous avec midi 13, midi 30. C'est Fort Mackinson, Fort Marina avec Fort Fuel. Okay, so yeah, now we're going to put it out.
The government had it out for her, following her every move to tell everyone about it. She took this lady hostage, and judging by the look on her face, she seemed more annoyed than terrified.
Okay guys, so Kunya, we've been here. We've been a place one long time ago, 127. Okay. So nous la abonné et n'a still etan lot moun yo pou yo vini. Yeah, so we're just gonna go inside and it's hot as hell outside. Yeah, now way. Qualité moun ki a bin na bagay sa. Ade sa men mo bougie and shit. Look at the hoochie daddy. Okay, guys. So yeah. So very classy. I am the queen of classiness. Okay. If you ask me. Yo kapab pou tout pa blot moun ye pou la yon pon.
You wanna hear something crazy?
Ok, on met des petits plus toujours. Assez mal c'est fine. It's 151. 215.
215, yeah. They gotta do 215 for 11 flat because there's one. Do what it do. Sure. I say, well,
Anyway, guys, we made it inside. Well, we made it outside. We're still waiting for people, so we're still down. So I can show you. Y'all want to see? Jefferson, mettez. How it taste? I got a question. Do you guys have some type of hot sauce? Hey! What's his drink? Strawberry lemonade. Maybe I got your... This is the green sauce. This is the green sauce. No. 0 out of 10, do not recommend. The green.
really?
The green.
What about the drink? Can you taste the liquor? No? Yeah. Also, can she get a strawberry? Or do you want strawberry lemonade? A strawberry lemonade? Oh, good. See, look at that fried chicken. not as bad as I thought it would be.
Yeah, that's what got us. I got.
Where's my salad?
Was that the wind? Yeah. It's not that bad. Chicken and waffle? It's not that bad. Not that bad. It didn't get too much wet.
Wait.
Guys, you should have got it. More better than I can't say that if I don't know. Yeah, it tastes like you just get the fries. Is that pork inside?
Yeah, some kind of meat pork. Breakfast sandwich. Breakfast sandwich.
That's her. You can have some.
Excuse me. Yes. It's salty and good.
You got stuff all in your hair. I ain't getting it out.
So big and hot.
What's in there? So, Punyano fini? It's hot as fuck.
That's why I got this all the way up.
But I'm talking.
Give it a second.
Oh, Jesus. Eh, bel fom kap gadi. Ne vie bagay, oui.
Ok, bel fam. Tout moun ap gado. Moun fata nou males. Tout moun ap gado bas. Agon poto an kando agon bagay.
J'ai mbatu, si lo ti dam nan bag, mwen pran, mwen bagon so a fe.
Mwen ve pale ave, but m just... Fino apa man, no?
Nou fini Punyano wala lakay nou. We had a good time, right? We had a good time.
Yeah.
We had a good time. Punyano wala lakay nou. Abos yeah, that's it. Okay guys, so Kunyala m fek lakay mwen la. Okay? Kunyala m bal benye. Mari di bonso nou.
Kon ben?
Kyan makon ben, gat mes, oh. E po fe moun pou mwen na video ha.
Oh, bon kon ben?
Kyan makon ben ya, bo chak baten men, mbe maten midi e swa.
La swa li la?
Meze. Oh, e swa de ze. Mwen sa meton na ze.
La swa li la?
Merci May.
En yon te wakon ben?
Oye he, mbaje boye, boye tou mbaje wom. Wap kite sa wukit ya let, sa weti me li avek jenel.
En yon te wakon ben?
Mwen, avek Mackinson tou. Okay guys, so kunya nou fek vini mbal benye, apwe sa mbal domi. I'm tired, go bon mwen I'm tired, just we tired, so na pon nou ti video.